Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload your website files to Hostinger. First, open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard of your hosting account. From here, look for the section called Websites and click on it to open your hosting details. Next, you need to find the File Manager. The File Manager is a tool that allows you to manage all the files and folders of your website directly from your browser. Click on File Manager to open it. Once the File Manager opens, you will see several folders. Look for the folder called Public HTML. This is the main folder where all your website files need to be uploaded. Click on the Public HTML folder to open it. If you already have some files here, you can delete them if you are replacing your old website. Otherwise, leave them as they are. Now, look for an option to upload files. Click on Upload and a window will open asking you to choose the files from your computer. Select the zip file or folder that contains your website files. Once you have selected it, the upload will start. Wait for the upload to complete. After the files are uploaded, if you uploaded a zip file, select it and look for an option to extract, and your website files will be placed in the public HTML folder. Thanks for watching.